So these are at 0.3.
0.33 apiece, yes sir.
How are they handling that?
Dropping down to 11s, I was still not having any issues with the amps cutting out.
Wow. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. Dang, you broke your window.
Yeah, yesterday, man.
Oh, you safety glasses.
Yeah, man. Open that door.
Wait, did you trailer this or you drive it?
I trailered it here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Leave
Open
your
this?
door open.
Okay. Wow.
Sorry, go to that side.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Anthony. Got 4 Otis Design 18s on 2 smart bass 5Ks at 0.3 apiece. Just built a 128 amp hour spin bank. We got 6K on the doors.
Wow.
Some genius audio. Lots of genius audio.
So what did you notice a difference adjusting your port slightly? Did you drop frequency or did you get louder or what?
I did lower it down a little bit by shrinking the port, and putting the roundovers definitely helped with the loading going outside of the door.
Yep.
It's mainly a demo rig, man, so it's like as much air pressure as I can get.
That's right.
In here.
Yes, sir. Yep. So what made you? What happened to this when it cracked? What was the
First
initial?
test hit on music with new lithium, dog.
Oh wow.
Swear to you. Now that I went from headway to the spims, so we went from 14.4 to 15.6.
15.6.
Yeah.
Yeah. Instantly a volt gained that more power.
It did. And
Wow.
other than that, I haven't made any changes since you heard it at Ruckus.
Okay. Awesome. What was your SPL test on it?
Prior, I would get a 158 on the glass at 30, and right here at the headrest, I was doing a 160 at 30.
Okay. Awesome.
And now, I mean, I don't know what it's doing now.
Yeah.
I haven't tested this since I put the glass.
Yep. All right. Now the question is, Now the question is, how are you going to keep this from blowing?
Well, it originally had a little crack in it already, so I'm gonna try
Okay.
another stock replacement for now.
Yep.
If it goes again, so be it. I will end up putting some plexiglass in here.
Yep.
Since I trailer this thing anyway.
I see a lot of people, usually if they extra urethane it, as long as the metal don't contact the glass, it doesn't ever shatter. It helps a lot.
Okay.
Because the metal is what causes the crack usually. If metal hits the glass, yeah.
Okay.
And then if you're able to brace it, even if you think you don't need to, if you brace it, it will help.
Dude, this is 3 bolted with layers of wood and foam, and it still
moves.
It still broke loose.
Yep.
Yeah. And so I'm definitely gonna put a brace from here to there or something.
Yeah, man. Awesome.
Come a long way since the first time.
It's crazy, yeah, man. That's the bass addiction. It's fun.
Oh yeah, for sure.
I'm gonna go look at the amps. Can I see the amps in the back?
Yeah. Open that door, and then I'll check.
Okay. So these are at 0.3.
0.33 apiece, yes sir.
How are they handling that?
I mean, even with the headway dropping down to 11s, I was still not having any issues with the amps cutting out.
Wow. So now you're dropping down to what, 13, 14s?
No, I'm staying 14.
14.
That's the lowest I've dropped.
Wow.
Yeah. 15,
crazy.
6 to 14 now.
Yeah, where's your lithium bank?
Right here behind the stick.
Okay.
You can't actually see it. You just see a bunch of wires in there.
That's all. It's underneath. Wow, that's a tight space.
Yeah.
Oh, you have your beauty panel blocking it.
Yeah, there's a whole cavity in there.
Yes, sir.
It's lined with fire blankets and stuff, so if anything ever goes wrong.
Yep.
That was 2017. All good, chunky, look around. Crown wanna see my type. Yeah, my dog, and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is, I meet this girl today. Then I go and treat her super nice. Yeah, I'm ready to credit card slice. I don't even know it Monday.
Whenever you're ready for it.
I'm ready, man.
Making clicks throb and heads bob, it's DJ To brag, but I'm the shit. Damn. Fuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Fuck that down, every prison in my right car. I be drinking raw, drinking raw, drinking raw. If I take you with me, that's $1 million day. I've been flexing too hard. I feel the. Yeah. My voice. Yeah. Tell me up a little bit more. Yeah. Short nigga, but my dick tall. Real nigga shit. Ain't no day. Don't concern you, little nigga. Watch out. Be careful who you call your friend, they turn on you, nigga. For real. I'm DUI right now, I don't belong behind the wheel. One thing about it, I'ma get money long as I live. I can't stop at that red light, I keep going, I don't yield. I can't do that deal if it ain't more than 10 mil. Oh shit, got them M's and now he lit. $100,000 investment, I invest on my wrist. All she do is run her mouth, tell that bitch to suck a dick. I was born a superstar, so I put one on my fist. I just smash, I don't kiss, hit the gas, I'm in the wheel. Hate to brag, but I'm the shit. Got some head when I was 6. I threw 30 in magic. Do that make me a trick. House on the lake, but I don't even know how to fish. Damn. Motherfuck the law, fuck the law, fuck the law. Flying down every grizzly in the race car. I've been drinking raw, drinking raw, drinking raw. One girl with me and she looked just like a Barbie doll. I just walked the front and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked in front and spent the 40 by mistake. I just walked in front and spent the 40 by mistake. If I take you up, bitch, that's $1 million day. I've been flexing too hard. Just give me my cake, my little bitch.
Your voltage is really solid too. It's staying under yeah. That's awesome, dude. Demo monster. It's crazy. you can load off of the door and just super windy right here. It's just all the pressure.
Yeah.
Wow. And they're crazy how much flex you're getting everywhere with the lows.
Yeah.
And this is just going off like crazy.
Pretty nutty,
yeah. Thank you very much.
No, I appreciate it.
That was fun. That's
Yeah, thanks,
awesome.
man.
Very nice.